Hello everyone. Here we see the recent WHO classification of AML, that is 2022 classification. It includes AML with defining genetic abnormality. Those AML which include these genetic abnormality, it doesn't require 20% or more equal to 20 more than or equal to 20% blast, except this and this. So recent WHO classification include AML with RUNX1 and RUNX1T1 fusion, AML with CBFB MYH11 fusion, acute promyelocytic leukemia with PML and RARA fusion, AML with KMT2A fusion rearrangement, AML with DAC NUP214 fusion, AML with MECOM rearrangement, AML with RBM15 MRTFA fusion, AML with VCR ABL1 fusion. It required equal to or more than 20% blast. AML with NUP98 rearrangement, AML with other rare genetic defined alterations. It also includes 20 or more than 20% blast. AML with NPM1 mutation, AML with CBPM mutation. It also requires equal to or more than 20% blast. AML requiring equal or greater than 20% blast, that is AML myelodysplasia related secondary myeloid neoplasm. In 2017 classification, this is called as therapy related myeloid neoplasm. Now this term is excluded, and this terminology is used, secondary myeloid neoplasm in place of therapy related myeloid neoplasm. Next is AML defined by differentiation. AML with minimal differentiation, AML without maturation, AML with maturation, acute myelomonocytic leukemia, acute monoblastic or monocytic leukemia, acute erythroid leukemia, acute megakaryocytic leukemia, acute basophilic leukemia, and myeloid sarcoma. Thank you.